You want to tell everyone what we're doing?
What?
You want to tell everyone what you're trying to do?
Trying to blow a stupid bubble.
Go ahead. No pressure. No one's watching. Ooh, close.
I want it.
You too. Don't give up, okay? How was school?
Good.
Oh, your brother's in the dog water. Get over here, Alec. No. No.
Hey, don't you dare say that about me. I was not in the
These
dog
beautiful children.
I was in the dog water. My brother was in the dog water.
I realize this.
Hey, bubble gum.
Hey, Alec. Bubbles. Alec. Okay, you look at the dog bowl. Go ahead. I'm filming you. So wait, I took a picture of one earlier. You did a good job. It's okay. All right.